हमारा सिर्फ एक ही एम था कि हमें उस 1-1.5 महीने में एक ऐसी फिल्म बनानी है जो एक्चुअली सबके लिए इट वाज मोर देन अ फिल्म. It was for most of us it was a dream. It was an ambition that we wanted to give some sort of shape.
जब भी आप कोई चीज नई ट्राई करते हो, डिफरेंट ट्राई करते हो, सो देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हमारी सोसाइटी से, इंडस्ट्री से, अपने खुद के घर वाले जो कहेंगे मत करो, न्यू स्पेस में क्यों जाना है, जो ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड है वो करो, रिस्क क्यों लेना है. बट आई थिंक द थ्री ऑफ अस ओवर हियर वी लाइक डूइंग एग्जैक्टली दैट.
Hi everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sani and today I'm all set to enter the world of cargo. Welcoming Vikrant, Shweta and filmmaker Aarti. Welcome to Peeping Moon, guys. How are you?
Thank you for having us here.
So, firstly, tell me, how does it feel? People are calling this a concept that no one has tried before and an achievement sort of for India. I have read Hollywood reviews saying that. So, how does it feel?
Ata, go.
No, we feel incredibly happy and incredibly proud. It's a big validation because we genuinely made this film with a lot of faith in the fact that when you do something with pure heart and when you do something with sincerity, the results are positive. That faith drove us through the process. And when we got the positive review, I mean, it really makes a huge difference. Yes, yeah.
Okay. Shweta, would you like to add on to that?
जब भी आप कोई चीज नई ट्राई करते हो, डिफरेंट ट्राई करते हो, सो देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हमारी सोसाइटी से, इंडस्ट्री से, अपने खुद के घर वाले जो कहेंगे मत करो, न्यू स्पेस में क्यों जाना है, जो ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड है वो करो, रिस्क क्यों लेना है. बट आई थिंक द थ्री ऑफ अस ओवर हियर we like doing exactly that. We believe in our gut and instinct, which is very important to any artist. And no matter what people say to you, I think it's important, what do you believe in? In fact, Aarti over here, she started her career in a very different field. But that's what if we can tell people that there is no age, there is nobody else who can tell you what you can and what you cannot do. So if you believe in your dreams, and like Aarti said, if your intentions are correct and if you do anything sincerely, then wo shayad time lage, there will be hiccups and it will be frustrating. Aisa nahi hai ki the journey is going to be beautiful and you will blossom very soon. It will take time, but when it happens, like right now, three of us, we've been doing interviews since morning, but we have a smile on our face because we know in 6 hours from now, Cargo is launching and it's very exciting
for us. And our jaws are hurting smiling.
Yeah. But the energy, the vibe right now, which I'm hoping you can feel through the Zoom call also, we are so excited because we have this thing in common, which is Cargo.
Okay. That's great. And Vikrant?
Yeah, I think the same applies for me. It's a very, very special film. And I've always had a keen interest in doing things a little differently. Maybe doing the same thing which a lot of other people are doing, but maybe do it a little differently. But in Cargo's case, I will not take away the credit, which is Shweta's credit and Aarti's credit. I was lucky. I got this film because this film came to me. मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ी. एंड या जैसे त्रिपाठी जी बोलती हैं कि रोल पे लिखा है एक्टिंग करने वाले का नाम. So yeah, that's the case with me. It's a very special feeling, doing something out of the box, especially when there are not a lot of backers and takers. When you have to do that arduous journey all by yourself, and those very few people who you can absolutely rely on, and when you reach the other side of it and you're applauded for taking the same journey, just there was hardly anyone standing and backing you. I think that satisfaction which we already feel today is worth more than everything else. Yeah.
And I just have to say that we are very lucky that Vikrant did the role of Prahasta, because I cannot imagine anyone else except Prahasta. We are incredibly lucky. Like, you brought in so much freshness and this, like, dar bhi lagta tha Prahasta ji. Like, he was so cool. Yeah.
And Aarti, what was your idea behind? So what was your idea behind blending in mythology with science? Like, not many filmmakers are doing it. So how did that idea sort of pop in?
Yeah, so actually, so I have been passionate about science fiction for a very long time, and I've seen a lot of science fiction from around the world. Like, I really consume it, like, in forms of books, stories, or even movies. So I was also aware of the fact कि India से तो अभी science fiction film बनी नहीं है. Like, we are the मतलब बनी है, but इतनी far apart है कि you can't even say that the genre has started or is mainstream at all. So I wanted to make sure that when we make our science fiction film, I for somehow presume this responsibility. Like I, Shweta, Vikrant, we felt that we know that we are making the first sci-fi spaceship from India, a film from India. But so we have to make it look very Indian. We should not make it like copy of the last best like or copy of Interstellar or copy of Moon or copy of
Okay.
whatever. We wanted it to be a tribute to all the magical stories we have heard while growing up, which is part of our shared collective consciousness. So we wanted to give tribute to our folk tales, but at the same time, like we wanted to make sci-fi also. So I just feel कि जब आप कार्गो देखते हो तो आपको लगता है यार ये तो सिर्फ इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट में ही बन सकती थी, कहीं और आप अमेरिका में कार्गो बन ही नहीं सकती क्योंकि ये स्टोरी हमारी है, like
Okay.
So I wanted to make sure that our whatever you call as our science fiction film, at least if we feel we are restarting it, at least we started with something which is very with our own, So that was the idea.
Okay. And Vikrant and Shweta, being a part of a sci-fi film, and as Aarti mentioned correctly, that not everyone or not many people are even planning to make it. Do you think your film is going to sort of motivate other filmmakers or other people to take the genre ahead in India?
We certainly hope so. We certainly hope so. We know it for a fact that there are a lot of people who want to dabble in this space, but because हमारी staple diet अलग है, हमारी consumption of entertainment की, तो शायद उस वजह से बहुत लोग कुछ कर नहीं पाते हैं. But I hope that Aarti and Aarti's team and Cargo as a film overall, coming on Netflix tomorrow. So I hope this opens up a lot of avenues for younger filmmakers who really want to, offer us something new. Yeah, why not?
Okay, Shweta?
Exactly word to word what he said. अगर हमारे काम से कोई इंस्पायर और मोटिवेट हो जाता है तो मतलब हम बहुत कुछ चीजें ठीक कर रहे हैं. मतलब as actors, yes, we want people to feel, but if we can somehow inspire people, storytellers, to tell their story and give them that confidence, then like.
Yeah.
Okay. And when the trailer, and in fact, even before that, when the teaser was released, Netflix started this meme that Shweta and Vikrant are coming together. And then there was so many other memes that people started making. And memes have sort of become validation now because people are, actors also are calling it that, we get happy to see memes. So what was your reaction like? And when you were offered the film together, what was the reaction like? Shweta, you can
I'm the huge fan of memes. In fact, I remember जब मिर्जापुर में मैंने पहली बार देखा था कि मेरा GIF आया. I am not kidding. It could be one of the happiest moments of my life. कि I am a GIF now. So वैसे मतलब these are very small joys of life, but it is exciting. In fact, I think तब I had to shoot something वो पास्ता जो मैंने सोशल मीडिया पे डाला है तो उसका शूट के लिए मैं जा ही रही थी from my room to the kitchen. And I saw that Netflix had put that up, and I was so overwhelmed because I think it's very important to practice gratitude. And this lockdown for an actor, releases are very important. It's very important that people see your work. So, pehle Raat Akeli hai on Netflix, then there was The Gone Game on Voot Select, and now Cargo on Netflix. And what an announcement! I actually had tears of joy because it was very overwhelming for me कि इतना प्यार. And आप जब अपने कुछ भी काम इतनी sincerity से करते हो वो appreciate होता है तो वो अच्छा लगता है. We don't live for the appreciation. We do what we do because it makes us happy. But what makes you happy, if it makes others also happy, then the happiness is just double.
Okay. Vikrant?
Yeah, I was over the moon. When I saw that, I woke up in the morning and I saw it and I was over the moon. And the way people reacted to it, and the wit, involved, and it was so sporting. It was wonderful. It was wonderful. A lot of people reached out to us saying, this is one of the best campaigns they've seen lately, and to be carrying on from where we left off last, to be able to do another project with her. She's one of my favorite actors. I've always said this. And even when I was offered the film, most of my security was her presence. And then obviously getting to know Aarti, and I think I had both my corners sort of secured before I took on Prahasta. So yeah.
Okay. And Aarti, when you started, of course, now that the reactions have come in, the initial reactions, everyone on the team must be feeling confident about what they have made. But when you started your journey, was there any kind of nervousness?
No, so actually for me the task of making Cargo was such a mammoth task. I mean, I used to feel that especially sci-fi, you have, and especially you don't have a कि ये sci-fi costume करता है, ये sci-fi production, so you are also working with people who have not done sci-fi, so there was lot of there was just a huge quantum of work. So at that point I was not nervous. I was just like, because there was no time for feeling that emotion, like that nervousness. I was only had a lot of concern कि ये सही होगा, वो सही होगा. And this film is also built in post, and it has been a lot of iteration. In fact, one of the days I'll tell, like, this probably the spaceship went through 10 iterations, eventually than what it is, and even then I wanted more, but then we had to stop, but it's so at that point there's no room for whether people will like it or not. Your first thing is, because you are aware of enough sci-fi, you should also feel that you have done something that you can respect, because when people see the film, they will not say कि a budget hai कि नहीं. They will not see all those things. They will just assess the film based on how they are responding, emotionally responding to it. So I was only caring for that. And I remember when the first cut happened and when just some graphics were coming in, I also had a sense that this is what. And when I remember one day seeing Alone, and I was feeling कि ठीक है, we are holding the story, the world is coming, the philosophies are coming. So I knew at my level I was satisfied. So I was never nervous that it will become a spoof. I had that concern worry throughout, but and also I'll tell you what, I'll see enough of sci-fi, it would have not, even if I would have shot in a white parda, it would have not looked like spoof, because and only because of these two guys believing in this world. Because you reflect their emotion. When he presses a button, if he does it with a dishonesty, you will feel the dishonesty. But if he does it with an honesty, you feel it. And everything in the film, so I had that conviction. I think even with green screens, I was convinced that we have created a good world only because of the acting. It was holding really well, So I'm speaking genuinely, honestly. So yeah, and when I saw it, like one day when everything was done, I saw it, I felt okay, fine, it's good. Now we all know, and I have actually made a lot of short films, which is of course not as compared to feature films, but in our film school, our batch was very competitive. So I always, I have gone through that whole thing of, making your film and showing it to your teachers and wondering what your batchmates will kill you, or practice of this emotion. So, and I had gone through this so many times that you always know that some people, even if some percentage of people like your film and find some honesty in it and genuinely enjoy it, not in the sense of saying ki yo acha kiya, genuinely feel that they feel like championing it, then I think your job is done. 100% it's very tough, because every human being is different, and 100% also if something is then maybe the thing is also too generic. I also feel that way sometimes, if something is specific, then there will be some people who will not like it also, and which is okay. It should be there. All different of opinions are there, yeah.
So Shweta and Vikrant, as Aarti is mentioning, that the presence of the film is looking so real because of you two. But it would have been, I'm sure, very different for you also, because this was character which we have never seen, you have never done. So how did you adapt to it?
Shweta ji.
I think a lot of credit first सबसे पहले उस दिमाग में जहाँ ये सब चालू हुआ, which is Aarti's, and then a lot of credit to the team who helped build it. And like Aarti said, कि ऐसा नहीं था कि अच्छा वो साइंस फिक्शन है तो उसको ले आओ, इसको ले आओ, कॉस्ट्यूम के लिए इसको ले आओ क्योंकि उसने अच्छा किया, ये किसी ने किया ही नहीं था यहाँ पे. So you were
Hmm.
purely working with people on trust, on instinct, and hoping that people will deliver. And even Mayur, who has done the art, did such a brilliant job. I remember coming to set for the first time and I was like, wow, कि ये expect नहीं किया था क्योंकि small budget film
Hmm.
indie तो आपको you're always cutting corners and आप use कर रहे हो कि कोई भी छोटी चीज को बड़ी चीज दिखाना, but वहां पे सबका soul दिख रहा था. Literally everybody had done 100% of what they could do. तो उसके बाद दैट्स व्हाई यू बिलीव इनटू दैट वर्ल्ड. इसलिए जब हमारी जो जर्नी थी एज एक्टर्स, दैट बिकेम मच इजियर बिकॉज द कॉस्ट्यूम, एवरी सिंगल प्रॉप दैट यू सी, इट वाज देयर फॉर अ रीजन. कोई भी कुछ गलती से रह नहीं गया था. आप प्रहस्ता का जब वो देखोगे वॉल जहाँ पे पूरे वो स्केचेस हैं या फिर जो एक बिल्ली है, मतलब एवरीथिंग वाज देयर फॉर अ रीजन. So I think that helps a lot, and this is a request to, in fact, everybody of Indian film industry ki everything that you do helps the actor. And uh, if you do your job well, if the team is great, then it just makes our job easier.
Okay. And
Yeah,
Vikrant?
that's exactly the case with me in a lot of ways. एक ट्रस्ट होता है जो आपको करना पड़ता है, there's no other choice. And also, when you eventually, ठीक है, एक स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है आरती ने which is very unique, and you have absolute faith in her. But I think, जैसे श्वेता कह रही है कि चाहे वो सेट डिजाइनर हो या कोई और भी हो, we were like-minded people out there. हमारा सिर्फ एक ही एम था कि हमें उस 1-1.5 महीने में एक ऐसी फिल्म बनानी है जो एक्चुअली सबके लिए इट वाज मोर देन अ फिल्म. इट वाज for most of us it was a dream. It was an ambition that we wanted to give some sort of shape. ये ऐसा नहीं था कि अच्छा हमें इतने पैसे मिले तो ये फिल्म बना के हमें डिलीवर करनी है, ऐसा नहीं था. तो it became personal for a lot of people, and when you meet like-minded people who see the world the way you do in a lot of ways, तो जो चीजें आपने खुद कभी डैबल नहीं की होती हैं, जैसे मैं प्रहस्ता जो मेरा कैरेक्टर था वो एक राक्षस है, पर वो he's as sensitive as a human. जो उसकी ह्यूमननेस है वो हमें इंटैक्ट रखनी थी. तो वहां पे आई डिड नॉट हैव टू गो berserk or try something which I've not done. Yeah, so we were all in a lot of ways like-minded people who saw the world the way we all see in a lot of similar ways. And yeah, so this film involved a lot of heart, and Aarti ho gayi ya Shweta ho gayi, or everybody who was associated with this project. That's probably one of the reasons why I can very proudly say that this film is really blessed, because the intentions were so pure that there was someone up there who was watching, I think, and got us this far. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, guys, for chatting with me. It was great talking to you.
Thank
All the
you.
very
Likewise.
best for the
Thank
film.
you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.